count to 10? Let me see. Count the stars. Yeah, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Okay, do it again so Daddy can see from the top. From the very first one, from number 1. No, count the stars. Count the stars. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
6, 7, 8.
9.
8.
10.
10.
Wow.
8. 9, 2.
Okay, one more time. Show. Hey, show Daddy where are the black circles? 7 black circles.
Black circle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where are 6 blue triangles? You know, blue triangle, or, oh, jeez. Squares. Good job. She's looking real hard for blue triangles. Where are 8 purple triangles? Okay. Where are 4 green circles? 4 green circles.
Green circle.
Right.
Wow.
1 brown circle.
Green.
1 brown circle. Tell her twice before you point it out. 9 red squares. 9 red squares.
Look! Daddy,
She's really proud of the hands. So proud of the hands.
Daddy!
My baby.
Daddy!
You know why you're so Hey, you want to ride the horse?
Mine!
Hmm?
Come on. Come on, kid. Come on, kid.
Mine,
You want to ride a horse, kid?